Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I'm just gonna do some really quick unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This one's the AT&T Samsung Galaxy A11, and then my customer just got this, so I just want to get real quick unboxing for you guys to check this one out real quick. Okay, so it comes pre-active already with the cell phone number, but just want to open this up real quick. So here's the phone. Got the triple camera. Let's see what else come with it. Let me power this on real quick. Samsung A11, enjoy. So they come with the instruction, and then term and condition. You got the eject tool, and then USB, what is that, Type C, and then power adapter. That's it. So yeah, anyway, this is just a quick unboxing for you guys to check it out, and hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, and peace.